Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with the latest on what we can expect for the severe weather threat for the rest of this Monday and Monday night. This is the latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, and you can see the risk will be highest over the northwestern edge of our area, especially McCurtain, Sevier, Howard counties. That's where it's looking very promising that we'll have some issues with severe weather, especially this evening. As you work your way to the south and east, the severe weather risk does drop off rather quickly. So let's get to the details here with a look at Futurecast and the ArkLaTex. And you can see Futurecast shows relatively quiet conditions for the rest of the afternoon. Notice this evening those thunderstorms rolling across the northern sections of the area, and then we'll see the storms likely diminish in intensity as we get into the late evening and overnight hours tonight. So again, as everything shifts to the south and east, it doesn't appear as if we'll have much of a severe weather risk. That's what Futurecast is showing. Take a look at the ArkLaTex model, and you can see the strong storms in the same spot, McCurtain, Sevier, Howard counties. We could see gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour, up to 2-inch hail, and yes, there is going to be a risk for a tornado or two, and I'll get to that in a second. You can see this look at rainfall potential. Notice how Futurecast keeps the rain very limited over most of the area. The exception, the northwestern northern edges of the region, where a couple of inches of rain will be possible. And again, as far as that risk of tornadoes, you can see Futurecast does show the potential for some rotating storms over that same area, McCurtain, Sevier, Howard counties. So near and north of Interstate 30, if we're going to have any severe weather issues, that risk is looking highest as you work your way north from Interstate 30 here during the evening hours this evening. And again, compare the rainfall from Futurecast with the rainfall to the ArkLaTex model, and you can see that it too has that swath over mainly the northern edge of the region. So it's a pretty good model agreement that the severe weather risk tonight and this evening will probably be limited to the far northern edge of the ArkLaTex, at least the way things are looking right now. So as we move through the nighttime hours tonight, again, all of us will have a chance for a few scattered thunderstorms, but it's looking most likely over the north where we get more rain. Lows will dip into the 60s and low 70s. Further to the south where rain will be more limited, looking at lows in the low to middle 70s, including 75 degrees tonight for the low in Shreveport. Tomorrow, the clouds will decrease as a cold front makes its way through the area. There is going to be a chance, a limited chance, for a little bit of scattered thunderstorm activity over the southeast edge of the ArkLaTex. The severe weather risk is looking low at this point, as daytime highs will range from the low to middle 80s north to the upper 80s to low 90s over the southern half of the area.